Looking for a reliable power source that matches your Dell laptop perfectly? The Genuine Dell AC Adapter delivers consistent power with an output of 19.5 V2, 31A and A4. 5mm tip designed to fit your device snugly. It's the kind of dependable accessory every Dell user needs to keep their laptop running smoothly without interruptions. What sets this adapter apart is its compatibility. It works seamlessly with a wide range of Dell models, including popular XPS 12 and XPS 13 series, Inspiron 2-in-1 laptops, Vostro, and Latitude models. Whether you're upgrading or replacing your old charger, this adapter ensures a perfect match, eliminating worries about voltage mismatches or connection issues. One of the biggest concerns with laptop chargers is durability. Customers have praised this adapter for its compact design and long-lasting performance. It's not just about fitting your laptop, it's about maintaining stable power delivery day after day. That compact form factor also makes it easy to carry, ideal for busy professionals and students on the move. Customer service matters when you invest in electronics, and this Dell adapter shines there too. In one notable case, a user reported intermittent charging after 11 months, but the seller responded immediately and promised a free replacement within 10 days. That kind of responsive support adds real peace of mind to your purchase. The included 1-meter power cord offers enough length for comfortable use without cluttering your workspace. Plus, the non-retail packaging keeps things straightforward, focusing on delivering the essential product without unnecessary extras. This adapter is about efficient power, not fancy packaging. If you're tired of chargers that fail or don't fit right, this Genuine Dell adapter is worth a look. It combines trusted performance with a broad compatibility range, so you know it's built specifically for your laptop's needs. No guessing, no risk of damage, just reliable power when you need it most. Ready to upgrade your laptop's power supply? Choosing this Genuine Dell AC adapter means you get what you expect: a perfect fit, solid output, and support that stands behind the product. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference a quality charger makes in your daily workflow.